Hello everybody, I'm Dave. Welcome to my home, or our home, Roseraie.com. So I've been spending a lot of time applying for jobs and contract work and trying to get more business in for my IT work, but today I'm going to have a day off of doing all that computer work, and I've decided to clear out the barn. So where we've been working all summer with the guests and tents and things, trying to get everything nice for people, we've kind of just been piling everything into the barn. Well, I have. And it's become a bit of a mess, and I wanted to see if there's anything in there that we can kind of get rid of and place up on various marketplaces to sell. So I'll get cracking on that. I'll give you a quick look at what I've done so far. So as you can see in here, it's a bit of a mess of stuff everywhere, and this is kind of it partially cleared out. You can see outside I've taken a lot of stuff out already. So over here we've got just rubbish and stuff that needs thrown away. Got stuff that I'd like to keep or get rid of over there. Tarpaulins and dust sheets, and then gardening stuff here. Which, yeah, lots of work to do. Guess I'd better crack on with it. Okay, so that's me done for today. As you can see, it's a little bit tidier. Got all the garden stuff over here, all the tools and woodworking stuff over there, all the materials in the corner, and here's all the rubbish. Hurrah! Well, I think it's time to have lunch, and I'll catch you guys later.